Good day, this is the Professopher, drwillphd, PhD, and today's Friday, December 30th, 2022. It is 5:14 and 29 seconds, a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and today's research, modeling bacteria. So let's jump to it here. Modeling the collective movement of bacteria. Research into the movement of packages of bacteria can help better understand the formation of troublesome biofilms. Date December 28, 2022. Source: Springer. A new paper presents a mathematical model for the motion of bacteria that includes cell division and death, the basic ingredients of the cell cycle. And these biofilms aren't just unpleasant and unappealing. However, they can be seriously troublesome. For example, in the medical field, the formation of biofilm can reduce the effectiveness of antibiotic treatments. The key to understanding biomass formation lies in understanding how bacteria behave en masse. The researchers present a mathematical model for the motion of bacteria that includes cell division and death, the basic ingredients of the cell cycle. The scientific research team developed a mathematical model of bacterial movement in process creating a link between statistical physics and biophysics. The new model belongs to a class of models for active matter that currently encounter a lot of interest in statistical physics. This field studies the collective properties of particle systems that have their own energy source. Bacteria are an exemplary case. The model devised by the scientific research team delivered a surprise by suggesting that when it comes to movement, bacteria can act as a unit. In the course of the investigation, they found out that the model predicts that the formation of bacterial colonies can occur through the buildup of traveling waves, concentrated packages of bacteria. They do not expect this to arise from such a simple model. The research team believes that the results should be interesting to the general public who may be aware of bacterial colonies but not know how they move in a collective way. The research team concludes by pointing out this is a very simple model, suggesting how the research can proceed. From here, they can try to make the model more realistic and confront the results to experiment to test its predictions. On the other hand, this research is very much curiosity driven and results from intense discussions among the researchers, an approach they'd like to maintain so they can continue to surprise themselves with their findings. And this is the Professor, Professor of Microbiology, Bioinformatics, and Pathophysiology. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Happy New Year, and have an awesome day.